What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to add a members area to your Wix website. So as you can see, these are my Wix websites that I created in the past, and let's add a members area to one of them. So I'll just choose, for example, this site, the My Fitness site, and what you want to do is go ahead and edit this site, and it should open the website in the Wix editor. And for some templates on the Wix, if you are creating a brand new website, for some templates, they do have built-in members area by default. You can see for yourself, for example, if you go to the pages here, you can see this template has like a blog built in and a program list, plans and pricing, shop, because this is like a fitness shop. Now, if your template doesn't have it, or if you are building your website from scratch, you can still add the members area by installing the app or the Wix members area app on your website. And to do so, simply go here to add apps. And to do so, simply go here to add apps, click on it. It'll open up the app market, the Wix app market. And what you want to do is simply search for members. Okay, and this is the one you want, the Wix members area. Click on it and then click on add to site. If it's already on your site, it should see like say installed or something like that. Click on it to install it on the website, and now it's adding the members area, and after a few moments it should be installed and you should be redirected to the setup widget. So click on discovered members area, then next once again, and now set up your members area. And as you can see, it adds up a section right here on your website for the members. So you have many menus here. You have your account settings, subscription, wallet, bookings, orders, address, prices, and so on. And to go to the members area, if we now go to pages, now when we went before, there weren't any member area options here, but there is right now. And what you want to do is to click on manage member page. So here is the member page, and now manage member pages. And here you have the members page where you have all your options. So you have account option, notifications, settings, profile, subscription, wallet, booking, orders, addresses, programs, followers, and so on. So you can go ahead and edit the item right here or remove the tabs. So these tabs are already on your website, as I showed you, the profile, subscription, wallet, and so on. And here you can add other tabs such as followers, blog comments, blog likes, and blog posts. So if you go ahead, for example, on the blog comments, and you can add the blog comments here by Wix, so add the tab. Okay, and let's close it now. And if you scroll down, you can see here the general options. So for email notification, you have campaign notifications, Facebook ad campaign is updated, and other options that can the user can set. Now in the settings here, I can go to settings again. Now here I can view here the settings. These are the settings. I can view my subscriptions. I can view my account options. So for each page or for each menu item, you have the options set here. So for subscriptions, for your account, for example, display name, title, first name, last name, phone. And for the subscriptions, or let's go to my subscriptions here. You can see here the subscription or the an example, of course, of the subscriptions. So you have beginner, you have pro, you have VIP. So this is, of course, like a sample page updated with like dummy dates and details. So if I click on manage member privacy, I'm redirected to my dashboard, and here I can see who can set their profile to public, all site member or no one, who can see public member profiles, only site members, or anyone. So I can edit these settings. Let's save them. If you, of course, change it, however, let's cancel them. And here you can go back to your site's member settings in the settings of the site's dashboard, and you can edit all the settings here. You have account and profile info, page permissions, member roles, and member badges. So that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to set up member areas on your website on Wix.